What is up, everyone? Welcome back. We are playing Don't Press the Wrong Button or You Get Exploded. The person that wins a free skin.
Free
Let's
skin?
go. Free
Did I hear
skin.
free skin?
It's a free skin.
I want a free skin.
Oh, sorry.
Hey,
Sorry.
hey, I'm all right, all right.
Alright.
Well, you know, since you want to hit me, go ahead and press that button. See
You
what
want me to
happens.
go first?
I mean, hey, might as well.
Alrighty.
Ladies first, right?
We're gonna go over here. We're gonna press. Oh. Alright. Now I'm gonna break it.
Okay.
Oh. It's gonna take a minute to break. Hold up. Alright.
All right. Nothing.
Yep, I think you're good.
Oh, that was scary.
Alright. No, we're gonna go for a tall one.
Yeah. How are we gonna get up there?
Figure out a way. Nothing.
Okay, I'm going for this one.
Oh. That was a zombie. Thought I heard TNT.
Oh, don't say that. I heard drop. All right, which one? Which one?
I think we're good.
Ooh. Okay. Now, mine. No, I'm just gonna press this one.
Uh-oh.
What you mean?
I thought I heard it. We're good.
Oh, wait, which one did I just press?
This one right here.
Oh, okay. Well, I forgot for a second. Well, you said, uh-oh, my heart really dropped.
Going up here.
Man, I'm trying to get this skin.
Oh.
Ooh.
I think
Nothing?
I think we're good.
All right. What about right here?
Alright, what if we start pressing two buttons at once? That's a little
Uh-oh.
risky.
Okay. Let's start with two. I'm down.
1, 2. Oh. Oh. Sorry. Gotta break him.
That was a little too scary. All right. 1,
Alright.
2.
Oh, I think you're good. Where's the TNT at, bro?
All right.
Where's the wrong button?
Hey, go on. This is scary.
Oh. Close.
All right, my turn.
Yep.
Oh Lord, you know what? I don't even want to do this no more. No, I'm just playing. All right,
I don't want to get exploded.
this one. All right, got nothing.
You know,
Come over here.
if you die, I'm dying with you. Oh! GG's, bud.
Oh no!
GG's. Oh! Oh!
Wait, hold on. Let's see which. I'm just pressing buttons. That sucks. Oh well, GG.
I hear one. Jeez.
Dang. TNT ain't nothing to mess with. Alright, we just spamming. Oh, I died.
Alright,
Oh.
bro.
I spawned underwater.
Yeah, so did I. Where'd it go? Oh, it's way over there.
Oh Lord.
Guess what? You lost. You lost.
I'll cash app you your money so you get that skin.
I appreciate that, my boy. I appreciate that. Y'all, let us know what game mode y'all want to see next. And we are out of here.
No, you're dead.